Are you tired of wrestling with a mop that seems more interested in tangoing with dirt than actually cleaning it? Fear not, brave homekeeper. Enter the realm of electric mops where scrubbing meets fancy technology and your floors shine brighter than your ex's excuse for ghosting you. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best electric mops on the market, proving that you can achieve a sparkling clean with minimal effort, and perhaps even a little fun along the way. Grab your favorite beverage and let's roll! Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Shark S1000 Steam Mop, our pick for best budget electric mop. If you're on the hunt for an electric mop that doesn't require an advanced degree to operate, the Shark S1000 just might be your new best friend. It's as straightforward as they come, just plug it in and you're ready for action. This little powerhouse is ideal for anyone looking to upgrade from a regular mop without breaking the bank. You'll undoubtedly appreciate the steam feature, which effortlessly wipes away those stubborn stains like a boss. Cleaning doesn't have to feel like a chore when you have the S1000 on your side, especially if you're a young adult navigating the cleaning challenges of dorm life or your first apartment. However, a couple of quirks might give you pause. Sometimes the mop pad likes to play its own game, rolling under the mop and making you feel like you're in a wrestling match with your cleaning tool. And while it shines on concrete like a true champion, its performance on tile might leave a little something to be desired. Weighing in at a mere 4.6 pounds, with a water tank that holds 12.68 ounces and an 18-foot cord, this mop is surprisingly light and maneuverable. Plus, it comes with mop pads to keep you ready for action. So if you want a no-fuss cleaning solution, look no further than the Shark S1000. Number 4. PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop, our pick for best lightweight electric mop. If you've ever wished for a cleaning sidekick that weighs less than your grocery bag, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Cleaner has your back at just 2 pounds. This little powerhouse tackled every surface you could think of during its 6-month trial. Floors, windows, and even your favorite shirts. Now, while the mop head might feel a bit like a clumsy dance partner sometimes, fear not. With its handy handheld attachment, you'll easily slip into those tight spots, like behind the toilet where grime loves to lurk. And when it's time to ditch those reusable mop pads, you won't be left cooling your heels. These babies are insulated, so wave goodbye to waiting. What's not to love about a foldable handle that makes this mop a breeze to store? It comes loaded with 10 attachments, including everything from a squeegee to various brushes and nozzles. Plus, there's a handy cup and funnel for easy filling and a steam dial because you like to be in control. You'll get about 30 minutes of steam-powered cleaning frenzy from a full tank, but watch out! The mop head has a habit of flipping up when confronting sticky adversaries like chocolate milk. The attachments? Well, let's say the brush bristles just might be a bit overworked. Happy cleaning? Still searching for the perfect electric mop? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner, our pick for best electric mop for tile. If you've ever found yourself staring at a mountain of dirt, grease, and grime and thought, why isn't there a magic wand to make this disappear? Well, meet your steam cleaning knight in shining armor, the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. This little powerhouse is not just your average cleaning tool, it's a versatile cleaning wizard that tackles everything from floors to upholstery, and even your car's interior. Say goodbye to those nasty chemicals that leave your home feeling like an abandoned science lab. With the Dupray, you're harnessing the pure power of steam to obliterate dirt. Because who needs harsh chemicals when you can let steam do the heavy lifting? It's eco-friendly too, so your pets will appreciate not having to tiptoe around toxic residues. And let's talk about maneuverability. Weighing in at just 9 pounds, it's so portable you might think it has a secret map to all those hard-to-reach spots in your home. Plus, with a generous 50-minute steam session per fill, you can finally bid farewell to repetitive refills interrupting your cleaning groove. So, whether you're in a battle against the dust bunnies in the corner or the overzealous grease stains in the kitchen, the Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner is your trusty sidekick. Embrace the clean, leave the grime behind, and let steam take your cleaning routine to a whole new level of awesome. Number 2. Tineco Floor One S5, our pick for best electric mop for hardwoods. If you're tired of scrubbing floors on your hands and knees, or fighting with a vacuum that just pushes dirt around, the Tineco Floor One S5 is your new cleaning superhero. This wet and dry vac features iLoop smart sensor technology that automatically adjusts suction and brush speed based on how dirty your floors are. Basically, it adapts to your needs, like a personal trainer for your floors. It's cordless and runs for a solid 35 minutes, so you can cruise through your 1,700 square foot home without breaking a sweat. And let's talk about the dirty water tank. It's like a full-on science experiment in there. When you dump it out, the water is darker than your morning coffee, leaving no doubt that this bad boy means business. You'll love the large water tank that saves you from constant refills, and the self-cleaning brush means you never have to touch a dirty roller again. Plus, it connects to an app, so you're always in the loop when it comes to maintenance. Sure, it's not the cheapest option out there, but think of it as an investment in your peace of mind. Let the Floor One S5 handle the sticky messes and pet hair, while you sit back and enjoy your streak-free floors. You've earned it. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Bissell SpinWave Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop, our pick for best electric mop overall. If you're tired of the daily battle against dirt and grime on your sealed hard floors, say hello to your new cleaning sidekick, the Bissell SpinWave Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop. This corded wonder isn't just a mop, it's your ticket to a cleaner, smoother home, gliding effortlessly over vinyl, hardwood, tile, and laminate like a pro on the dance floor. With its dynamic duo of spinning discs, a handy 28-ounce water tank, and an on-demand spray button, you're in complete control of your mopping destiny. You've got 2 soft touch pads for those routine cleanups, and 2 scrubby pads ready to tackle even the most stubborn messes like they owe you money. As you navigate through your space, you'll notice how this mop slips right under most cabinet overhangs, giving your home that sparkle from every angle. And guess what? Those Bissell cleaning pads clean like a dream and are washing machine safe. Yep, toss them in after your cleaning spree and they'll come out ready to fight another day. Sure, the thick mop head might raise an eyebrow when trying to squeeze under super low furniture, but let's be honest, it's doing the heavy lifting elsewhere. With a weight of just 9.5 pounds, it's lightweight enough to make mopping not just bearable, but downright enjoyable. So why wait? Embrace the spin and let your floor shine. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best electric mops. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which electric mop you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.